Hey y'all, everyone that knows me knows that I am a huge Machine Gun Kelly fan. I have a few tattoos on me now to support him. Call it psycho, call it crazy, call it I don't care. I just really respect what he's doing, and he supports Ohio, so of course I'm gonna rep him. I'm just gonna play one of my favorite songs, Cleveland, even though I'm not from Cleveland. I'm Tiffin, Ohio. It's really lame, but oh well. So here we go. Ready?
Kills. It's looking like we forgot or something. Never that. Man, I'm so Cleveland, it's a goddamn shame. So east side, I'm a goddamn gang. Said you ain't heard of, I'm a goddamn lame. But I act around here, I'm a goddamn king. Now I'm from around work in these goddamn streets. Earn my stripes like a goddamn bee. Headed up, no shirt, still got sleeves. And I'm good from the heights to 106 feet. Well, it's me, kill, fuck for fame. Still roll to the blocks where they up the thing. I'm the same hoe that headed up my name. I'm still a little white boy and a shaker, man. I know hard, is yours. But she don't wanna test my G. Because I got one about two, about three, about four other soldiers at EST. Now. Yeah, you know I put it down for. I rep my state, my hood, my side of town in. King of this shit, that's why I wear my crown in. So don't come around Cleveland. Bitch, I walk. Had it on my arm, you know I'm reppin'. This where I'm from, you wanna hate, don't step it. Lace up, I gotta keep on reppin'. Yeah, bitch, I'm from Cleveland. Bitch, I'm from. Okay, you're coming from a long way. Fuck y'all, I love where I stay. Ain't on me, no hate on your mama. She but you, and you ain't with $1. Shit, I was broke, took my throat. Getting money, no niggas, they don't know my holla. Don't know, do I know you? I don't know, do I know you? East side, let's go, I can show you. West side, don't cruise, don't flow too. I know a couple niggas down the way. East side, too, yeah, I went down the way. Hey, now I'm I'm cool to Cleveland, that's good, good, now I'm been down the state. I gotta make it quick, bro, this trash is big. Think world green, go ahead and stack my chips, yeah. Oh no, I ain't play much, but EST be the team I play for. I got love for the niggas that fuck with me. No love for the niggas that don't fuck with me. It don't matter if I'm out of town, everywhere I go, let them know Cleveland bound. Yeah, you know I put it down for. I rep my state, my hood, my side of town. King of this shit, that's why I wear my crown in. So don't come around Cleveland, bitch, I walk. Had it on my arm, you know I'm reppin'. This where I'm from, you wanna hate, don't step it. Lace up, I gotta keep on running. Bitch, I'm from Cleveland, not that shit. Right here.
Cry right here, blood, sweat, and tears, I cry right here. Head of my city, show pride right there. Look at it like it's my spine right here. So what you talking about? I can't ride right here. You motherfuckers think I'm gonna ride right here? Raising the goddamn tree, no one was born in. Believe I'm a child right here. Cleveland bred, Cleveland fed. My Cleveland girl, give me Cleveland head.
And anybody saying that Cleveland dead?
Fuck y'all, tell them that's what Cleveland said. Cleveland fit, Cleveland hat. Anywhere I go, where Cleveland's at. So when the world ends up, you know where we'll be at. Bitch, right here in. Yeah, you know I put it down for. I rep my state, my hood, my side of town in. King of this shit, that's why I wear my crown in. So don't come around Cleveland, bitch, I'm from. Tatted it on my arm, you know I'm reppin'. This where I'm from, you wanna hate, go steppin'. Laced up, I gotta keep on running. Bitch, I'm from Cleveland, I said bitch, I'm from.
Midwest, we hold it down, bitch. And no one man is king of this city, y'all.